Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal and let's start today's video. In today's educational video, I am going to share my personal view regarding a stock called Asian Paints, and I had my eyes on the stock even yesterday, but I was waiting for a confirmation. So first I will start with the weekly time frame chart first. Now in this weekly time frame chart, there are a couple of things which are looking very interesting. First is but obvious that the trend is certainly up. Prices are trading above the moving averages. And one thing which I can see that prices had corrected because prices were pretty far away from the moving averages when Asian Paints was trading around 35.40, 35.45, and that is why it did retraced. And while retracing, it found support from these previous highs. Now, these previous highs were actually a resistance because you can see one thing over here. I'll just like you to take notice. You can see price has gone up. It corrected. Again, it went up and it found resistance from the previous high and then it went down. Now, this time what has happened in this this current rally, prices have gone up. They have surpassed this important resistance. All right. And now they have come down, retraced, and they are taking a support from this previous resistance. This is a role reversal at play. Basically, resistance is getting turned into a support band. Now let's have a look at the daily time frame charts. In the daily time frame charts, first thing is the trend is flat. Neither the trend is up, neither it is down. So as of now, there is nothing more interesting. But one thing, if you check properly, the entire trend, this entire trend is very big in terms of its size. If you compare this particular swing with the previous few swings, if you check this swing or this small one, even this one or even this uptrend, this is extremely big. So it is, of course, that this 23.6% Fibonacci retracement will act as a very important support. And when you have these sort of resistances, as I showed you in the weekly time frame charts, which they have got turned into a support band now, it is a very big positive for the stock. Now, if you have a look at the RSI, I think RSI also looks pretty fine. It's trading above 57. So it seems it is positive, but I guess the trend is still flat. Now, something interesting is happening in the hourly time frame charts. In the hourly time frame charts, this is the Arun indicator, Arun 14, by the way. You can see that Arun 14 has crossed the Arun down, all right. Arun up has crossed Arun down and it is showing a positive reading. One more thing is, if you can check properly, I'll just convert this chart into a line chart and you can see lower lows and you can see higher lows in RSI. So we do have some sort of double bottom in play in price and possibly in RSI also. We also have a trend line breakout in the price, and on the price itself, this particular small price band, 33.79 to 33.81, just 2 to 3 points band, is a stiff resistance for the price. And you can see there is a high over here also. And this is the upper band of the Donchian channel. So I believe we will need a big green candle, something like this, a bullish bell toll, what we say. If it closes above the high of the Donchian channels, something like over here, all right? And we do have decent volumes already. I'll just share that with you. If you check over here, the volumes are pretty decent when this up move happened over here, even when the prices were trying to bounce from 33.13 to possibly 33.33. Just a small move, but you can see there was a spike in volume, which is a good sign. So once we do have this sort of breakout in price, all right, above 34.06 or 34.07 on an hourly closing basis, then there is a possibility that the prices could move higher somewhere till 34.51, even 3500. And if the rally continues, possibly even 3,600 or maybe even higher. So this is basically a swing trade. This is not a positional trade. This is a swing trade. And if we do have a close like this, a big green candle sort of close, I think the probable stop for this sort of positive view on the stock could be close to 100 points. Anything more than 100 points could be a slightly larger stop loss. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will prove helpful to you in understanding how this stock could go higher in next few days or maybe even weeks. Stay tuned to the channel for important educational videos. Trade less, trade wisely. Thank you.